Hello everyone, welcome to week 2 for the spring semester of 2018 for BCOM 3113. Just want to post a update video, make sure we're all on the same page. Haven't received too much communication from you guys, so I'm assuming that everything's going well, but don't hesitate to email me and I will respond as soon as possible. Again, 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. I'll respond within 24 hours, generally speaking. So sometimes a lot sooner than that. But again, just let me know. All you have to do is email and reach out. So several things that are going on this week, right? Number one, we've got discussion assignment number 1, which I noticed some people had already kind of started on even last week before it was an official assignment. So again, what you're going to do in this discussion is simply respond to your classmates who posted their self-introduction PowerPoints. So make sure you follow the instructions on there. To get all the points, you have to be involved throughout the week and make some good, meaningful comments, not just hello and that kind of thing. So make sure that you do the meaningful comments to get the points. Number 2, there's the Who Am I memo assignment. It's not due this coming Sunday, but the Sunday after, so February 4th. Again, it's our first major assignment. It's worth 50 points. Just gives you an idea of kind of what we're going to be doing in this class. Perhaps you practice memo format, gives me an idea where you are at in your writing, and also a little bit about you personally. Reading assignments, there's 2. Okay, so make sure you do chapter 2 and chapter 3. I was informed I've got some weird things going on in the grade book with Brightspace, so don't worry about that. I will fix those this week, so keep an eye on that. And then finally, the grammar exercises. Again, this is an adaptive software assignment, so it will take different people different amounts of time. It does take a while, though. It's not due for a few more weeks, right? But got to get started on it. It's one of those things that you'll be not happy with me or yourself if you put off, okay? So the sooner you get that done, you can finish it whenever, as long as you get it done before the deadline. And remember, it's a 100% all or nothing deal, right? So if you wait until too close to the deadline and you get 98% of it, you will not get a 98. You'll get a 0. Okay, so make sure that you finish it 100% of the assignment before it is due. As always, I wish you luck this week. Please reach out with any questions or issues. Stay involved in that discussion early in the week. Don't wait until the end because that will affect your score. So again, email with any questions and get to work.